Hi, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Whitestone dome glass and we're going to see what we're going to get inside this box here. So it's just a tempered glass for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but looking at the box, it looks quite a very good quality glass protector for the phone. So let's open it. Here's the box and what will you get inside this glass protector. So here is everything inside. So that's everything inside the box. Okay, so we got an instruction. Then we got the plastic clip that goes into the tray here. So there's an instruction on how you can use the screen protectors. It's quite a lot to read. There's quite a lot of instruction. One side is in Chinese, the other side is in English. Okay, so here we got this piece of plastic. This will later help us to push the tempered glass down, so we need it. So inside this packet here there is dust removal stickers. You got the alcohol wipe, then you got another wipe here to wipe off the dust, and you got a couple, there's 3 alcohol wipe or ethanol wipes right here, 3 pieces, and also the dust remove stickers. So I got that. I'll just move the phone out of the way. So this bag. So I'm just gonna lift this one up. So this tray comes up at the top. On this tray here, there are 2 soft padded right here, 2 soft pad, so that later when we place the phone inside here, it will keeps the phone in place and suck out the moisture from the liquid. Then here we got the 2 tab that we're going to need to use later to cover up the holes on the phone. So here we've got 2 bottles of the liquid gel that we need to apply later. So this adhesive will helps stick the glass to the phone surface. And here is a rounded tempered glass. So the tempered glass is round all the way to the edge. So I'm not going to pull it out right now because that may attract more dust. So I'll just leave it on. And here we got the tray and a bridge. This bridge will allow us later to place the adhesive down here to the glass. So there are 2 bottles of adhesive right here, and that's it. That's everything inside the tray. So if you're going to buy one of this is what you can expect to get. And there should be another items in here inside this box here, so we're just going to open it up. So here is it is, and guess where it is? It is light. So this one here will help secure the adhesive. So it's got Whitestone dome glass. So later we're going to use this UV light to cure the glass that will allow it to stick to the phone. So this here come with a USB cables and this UV light device. So here it is, got 6 lights here, and we're just going to later place it on the top here to cure the tempered glass. There is no adapter, so we can place it into an existing phone adapter. We can place it into the Galaxy S10 charger, and we will be able to use this UV light to cure the adhesive. And that's it. That's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.